I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some questions on rate of work done. Question number one is Anil takes 6 hours to paint a room and Ben takes 8 hours to do the same job. Part A is what fraction of room do they each paint in an hour? And part B is how long would it take them to paint the room if they work together, right? So that's the question for you. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions, correct? So let me begin by making a table. So we have two persons working here. One is Anil, we can say A, and the other one is Ben, B. So what is their job? Their job is to paint a room. It says Anil takes 6 hours to paint the room. So total time. So total time to do a job. To do one job for Anil, it is 6 hours. And for Ben, it is 8 hours. That is the total time to do the complete job as a whole, right? So this basically defines whole job. Complete work. Is it okay? That is the concept. Rate is what do you do in an hour? So that is part A. So part A is what fraction of room do they each paint in an hour? So how much work is done in just 1 hour? So we are trying to find work done in an hour. Let's say 1 hour. Is it okay? In 6 hours, the whole thing is done. In 1 hour, 1/6 will be done. Is it okay? So it is 1/6. For Ben, 1/8 of the job will be done in an hour. Do you see that? So that is the answer for part A. So in an hour, they will do 1/6 or 1/8. Part B is how long would it take them to paint the room if they work together? So how long? We don't know. So what we say here is let it be X hours. Is it okay? X hours. So X hours will be, you'll multiply 1 hour times X, right? So how much time? In 1 hour, 1/6 is done. In X hours, X/6 by Anil and X/8 by Ben. And they complete the whole job. So this is complete job. So in fractions, complete means one whole, right? That gives you an equation which is X/6 plus X/8 should be equal to complete job 1. Do you see that? So that is how you do all rate of work done questions. If you are given time taken to do a job by one person, then in an hour, it is that fraction of job done. In X hours, X times the same fraction. Correct? So if the time taken by both of them is X, they work together, then the amount of job which is done by Anil is X/6, amount of job which is done by Ben is X/8, and total amount is the complete job, 1. Once you solve this, you can find the value of X, and that is what is required, correct? Now what is the common factor? So whenever you have this something, so we can find lowest common LCM, which is in this case 24. Is it okay? 24. So we can multiply both by 24. This, and this by 24. What do you get? 6 times 4 is 24. So we get 4x plus 8 times 3 is 24. 3x equals to 24. Do you see that? 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7x is equals to, this was 24, is 24. So x is equals to 24/7. So the total time taken will be 24/7, which we can calculate. 24 divided by 7 equals to 3.4, let's say 3 hours, right? 0.43 means what? 0.43 times 60 means 25 minutes. So we can say maybe 26 minutes. So we can write this as total time taken is 3 hours, and in minutes we can write this as, let's say, 26 minutes. Is it okay? Okay. So that is how you can solve such questions. So the idea is, if you know time taken to do a complete job by different persons, then their combination is x over 6, x over 8, add them, equal to 1. Solve your equation to get your answer. I hope that helps, right? So that is how it can be done. We'll take few more examples to elaborate on this process. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe to my videos. Feel free to post questions. Thank you.